Hey guys, this is how to add different effects on your Canva file. So first thing, let's start out with this text right here. So if I want to add different effects for this text, I'll just highlight the text. Let me highlight all of it. And then at the banner at the top, just click on effects. And here you have all the different effects that you can add. So you can just splice the text, or you can add shadow to it, or you can make it look like a glitch even. You can make it neon and you can adjust the intensity of it. So yeah, you have all these different effects. You can even add a background and choose the color of the background. But for me, I'll just keep it as none for now. What you can also do is animate the text. So just click on this animate option right here. And you have all these different animations that you can choose from. And once you hover over one of them, it just gives you a preview of what the animation is going to look like. So this is a blur, this is a fade, this is a right pan, this is a rise. I think I like the rise better, so I'll just choose that. And then you can also adjust the transparency of the text or any element really that's there on Canva. So just click on this transparency icon and just drag this down or up or whatever you like. And what else can you do? Let's see. You can also change the text right here to all uppercase. You can underline it. You can make it bold or unbold it. And you can change the color of it from here. And you can also change the font. Now, what if you want to animate the entire page? Are you going to select every item or every element on the page and animate it individually? There's an easier way. You can just select the page and click on animate. And this will allow you to animate the entire page with one click. So it gives you a preview of what this is going to look like. So I think I like the fun one. Yeah, it's pretty fun. And yeah, you can just apply this to all pages. If you have more than one page, you can just choose this option right here and apply this to all pages. And this will apply to all of the different pages that you have in your file. So yeah, these are a couple of different effects that you can use on Canva. Hope that video is helpful.